I'm not sure if you've heard this too, but a lot of the people I talk to, they have sort of like a fear of doing chaos engineering. I don't know if it's coming from accidentally creating your own incidents by
Mhm.
doing chaos testing in production. Have you talked with any people who have experienced that, or do you have any other insights on why there's this fear around it?
Yeah, I would agree that there is still a fear. The word chaos itself seems like I'm doing something which is out of my control. But chaos engineering, especially the engineering part, is something where you are setting a hard focus on, I need to do it in a safe way under my control. And there's always a panic button where I can just press a button to stop everything and the system is turning back into the hopefully normal state before the experiment was started. If you follow this approach, you don't need to be afraid of getting started. It's not dangerous if you're doing it in a safe way with the right tool in place. If you Google for chaos engineering, of course, you will get on a blog post where someone is telling us a story at Netflix where the Chaos Monkey was running in production and he was randomly shutting down any instance inside of the Netflix universe. That's not how we are doing it today. We are doing it in a controlled way with an experiment, with some fallbacks, with safety features. So there is no need to be afraid of running experiments.
Yeah, so it's almost like it's the complete opposite of what
Yes.
the name says. Because yeah, you say like the word chaos, it instills a sensation of, oh my gosh, this is chaos, right?
Yeah.
And in reality, it sounds like it's the complete opposite, which is super organized, using a method, using safety and things like that to make sure that it's safe and effective, right? That's
Exactly.
really,
Maybe let me reframe this. So chaos is something which is there. It lives in production and you need to be aware of it and you need to be able to handle it. And it's not a one-man job. It's really a job of your organization, of your tools, of your people, the teams. Everyone needs to be able to see the chaos and handle it. And chaos isn't something bad. It's just the normal behavior of our system. Why? Because sometimes there are a lot of people coming into our system. They want to get, let's say, order something or want to get some informations out of it. So there are some peaks, but also the system is quite complex. It's running on a cloud environment with some old legacy components connected. So maybe there's a lot of network traffic where we can see latency spikes. So that is something the system needs to handle under high pressure from customers. And
mm,
normally, if you go back into the early dev cycle, everything is tested, yes, but to be honest, it's just the happy path testing. People are just testing for the good situations, but production isn't a lovely place. Production isn't a place where you would like to spend some time with your family. No, production is a hard place. And sometimes it feels like that production would like to kill you, or maybe your app, at least.